Hi Internet, I'm Tango. These are Tango's Takes. Today is Saturday, August 28th, 2021. Today is the 9th birthday of Guild Wars 2, and this is the last day of Guild Wars 2 week. So, what do we talk about today? Today's take is rebuilding. Sometimes things in your life get destroyed. Not just broken, not just damaged, but outright destroyed. It might be something physical, like this lighthouse in Lion's Arch. Also, this is my warrior, Bravia Trueheart. It might be the entire city of Lion's Arch, both of which are symbols in very different ways. Lion's Arch is the neutral city, the city that is home to everyone of every race, even the outcasts. Anyone can come here and be happy. Now, it's already been rebuilt, like completely rebuilt, as the result of a story event. And sadly, we'll never get to play that story event again. They don't want to completely rewrite the map or rebuild the old map, because this is a very modern-looking Lion's Arch compared to the old one. The Lion's Arch was originally built out of, honestly, old sailing vessels that had been lifted into place to become homes and structures. But that's not the only thing that gets rebuilt in this game. Not even close. Before your story begins as a character, there is a guild known as Destiny's Edge that, at its high point, composed of a human, a Char, a Norn, a Sylvari, and 2 Asura. They had a goal. They were the first to set out to defeat the dragons, to deal a blow to the dragons and give people hope. And they succeeded in that. But the first time they faced one of the dragons itself, Jormag, they lost one of their own because of a variety of factors. And in the end, they all blamed each other for the loss of one of their own, the group splitting up, and so on. But as you start this game, they've been apart for a while, they're not talking. But your racial counterpart within that group eventually becomes your mentor. And in doing so, well, you get the chance to bring them back together. You rebuild their friendships, their trust in each other. Your actions to bring them back together, to reunite them, rebuild the hope that they had established, rebuild their friendships, and in turn enable you to take out that very first Elder Dragon. Symbols can be rebuilt. And in doing so, you will find that the things those symbols represent become stronger than ever. Sometimes those symbols are based upon friendships, sometimes they're quite literally a town. The point here is to not give up on something just because it appears to have been lost. You can make it better. You can build it better. And in the end, you may build something a lot stronger than anyone was prepared for. You could completely redefine what that symbol was for and still somehow preserve the original elements. Stay safe and healthy out there, folks. Keep an eye out for future theme weeks, because I'm going to tell you right now, both Dungeons and Dragons and Transformers are going to be future theme weeks. And I'll see you all next time.